Welcome to HelloSend, your smart and simple messaging assistant, now seamlessly integrated with Pipedrive. Here's how you can easily send a message using HelloSend DM. Start by clicking on Contacts, and then select the contact you want to message. Once selected, you'll see the HelloSend DM panel on the left side of your screen. Before you begin, make sure to verify your from and to numbers. Under the phone configuration section, choose your primary and secondary numbers as needed. You can attach media files like images or documents, and also add emojis to make your message more expressive. If you need help writing or rephrasing your message, simply click on the AI assistant. Choose the tone or mood you prefer, whether friendly, professional, or casual. And let the assistant craft your message for you. When you're ready, just click Send. On the right side of the screen, your message will automatically be logged under Activities or Notes, making it easy to track and monitor all your conversations. That's it. With HelloSend, messaging is faster, easier, and more personalized than ever. Start your conversation today. Thanks for using HelloSend.